I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make us finance channel, only way. Start by defining your niche and target viewer, then outline content pillars and a publishing schedule. Record short, clear videos that explain one concept per episode and use friendly visuals for clarity. Optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions for search, and cross-promote on social media to accelerate growth and engagement. Develop a content strategy that balances evergreen tutorials with timely commentary to keep viewers engaged. Map a series that starts simple and scales into advanced topics, and write tight scripts that lead with value. Batch produce episodes to stay consistent, and use templates for thumbnails and descriptions to save time. Engage your audience by asking questions, replying to comments, and iterating based on viewer feedback. Focus on multiple revenue streams early, combining ad income with sponsorships, affiliate links, and your own digital products. Offer memberships or exclusive content to cultivate loyal supporters and create lead magnets to grow an email list. Monitor analytics to spot high-performing topics and double down on those formats. Reinvest earnings into better equipment or outsourcing to scale production and maintain a professional, trustworthy finance channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.